Hey guys, Matt here again for Udesly.com. What I'm going to show you is how you can use advanced custom fields inside of your WordPress store, WordPress site that you've created inside of Webflow using the Udesly Adapter. So what is advanced custom fields? Well, advanced custom fields allows you to add additional elements onto your page template and edit them inside of the WordPress backend. So for example, as you can see here, I have created this product page which has the option to turn this palette notification here on and off. This is custom created, and my client can go in and also change the link to this bit here as well in case it needs to go to an informational page. We also have a product video thing which uses interactions to throw up a pop-up, and the client can go inside of WordPress and edit this video here. If there is no product video or there is no need to have a palette notification, you can see that the client has turned it off here and it just simply gets rid of this section inside of the template, and you can see the product video is not needed for this particular product. And this is all done within one template file inside of Webflow, so that's one page that you manage in your CMS. As you can see here from the back end of the WordPress, we have custom fields here for all kinds of stuff, for turning the different types of notifications on, changing the URL. We've got the option for the video so the client can go ahead and change the link for that there. Another example of this is creating a simple page layout like this and having the option to change this icon via the back end of WordPress. So that's a brief overview of what advanced custom fields can offer inside of your Webflow project when you are converting it inside of WordPress. I do recommend you go ahead and use advanced custom fields wherever you can to greatly improve the advanced level of your design throughout your website. So I've got a template here from the Webflow template store. This is a free one that I have cloned. You can of course go ahead and purchase a template or clone a free one, or start with an existing project that you've got or from scratch. So what I'm going to show you is how you can use advanced custom fields for this text object here, and how you can use them for each individual image here, here, and this one here. What you want to do is you want to head over to the custom attributes section and type in ACF text, because it is text, and then the value of the field that you want. This can be literally anything that you want. So I'm going to type in sub_para. For the others, if I scroll down my page, I want to replace this image here. So I'm going to go to the custom attribute settings again, and I want to type in ACF image, and then the value of a want. So I'm just going to type in image_01, and I'm going to repeat that for this div here. So ACF image, and then image_02, and then for this parallax section here, I want the same again. So ACF image, and then the value I want it to be parallax_image, and save that there. And there you go. That is that simple of how you can apply attributes to your page to get it prepared for advanced custom fields inside of WordPress. Then what we want to do is simply hit export code, wait for that to load the code, prepare our zip, and then want to hit download there. Go over to udesly.com, go to the adapter, and making sure that you of course are signed in with your account. Hit WordPress, and then you want to drag that zip inside of there, give it whatever name you want, hit convert, and then your theme will be downloaded down there. Then what you want to do is head over to your WordPress install, go over to appearance, themes, simply select add new, upload at the top, and then drag that newly downloaded zip into the choose file and install there. Once this is installed, you can hit activate on the theme, and then you'll get a dialog box at the top to install the plugins. Simply begin installing, and then return to your dashboard like so, and then there you go, you've got the Udesly Adapter plugin all installed. Now what we need to do is we need to install advanced custom fields, so simply go to add new plugins and search for ACF, and then there you go, you can see it there in the middle. just install that plugin and then activate it, and then we could go ahead and go to the Udesly Webflow data and simply import our pages and data using this option here. And then what we need to do is we need to go to WordPress settings and go to reading, and then we want our homepage to be a static page, so we want this to be index, and our post page can be our blog page there. Simply save those changes, and because I modified my about page, if we go to pages and view our about page, you can see we've got nothing there, our image is missing there, and our parallax section is missing there. So what we need to do is hit edit page, and then as you can see, if we scroll down this page here, you see we've got our subparagraph text, our image 1, image 2, and our parallax image area there, and we can add 3 images inside of there like so. So if we type in on our paragraph area here like so, and then we can add some images inside of there. So I'm going to pick from some of them that I have already uploaded, so I'm going to pick that one there, scroll down and select on image 2, and we're going to pick that one there for that one, and then scroll down for our last image, which is this one here, and I'm going to select that one like so. So we've got 3 images, and we can hit update on that like so, and when we view the page at the top, as you can see, if you just click view there, our text has been updated from that new field. And if we scroll down, we've got our new image there, and there as well. So there you go, that is how you can use advanced custom fields inside of Webflow to create dynamic content that's editable inside of your WordPress store. I do recommend you go ahead and read through the documentation, which has a list of attributes that you can apply for other elements, for stuff like date, time, color, rich text, background color, links, switches, etc., to greatly customize the way that your website functions with advanced custom fields. If you need help or support with any of our tools that we offer, including the Udesly Adapter and any of the resources that we also offer, I do recommend you go ahead and visit our help center and submit a ticket onto there. We'll try our best to help you and your situation. We also have a Facebook community group, whereas I'm extremely active on there, and I do try my best to help people where possible, as well as also provide design inspiration, tips and tricks, and help people out create the layouts that they wish inside of Webflow. Anyway, my name has been Matt. I hope you got all the best from this video tutorial, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.